Hello, this is Round of Game 100 and welcome to more Ratchet and Clank 3. Now I just completed the planet Marcadia and well now I'm going to return to my ship and go back to the Phoenix, I think.
Watch and learn, Clank. This is how a real hero gets it done.
These are the real-life adventures of Captain Qwark, the greatest superhero the galaxy has ever known.
Hey, this thing on?
Meticulously reconstructed by our crack research team with the aid of eyewitness accounts, bathroom gossip, wild speculation, and a magic 8-ball. In the early days of the 5th Solarian equinox, the Solana galaxy was terrorized by a notorious pirate known as Captain Blackstar.
Ahoy! Anybody else got a craving for fish and chips?
Though still in the prime of his youth, Captain Qwark was already a living legend.
I was beating him up with a stick.
However, no previous adventure could have prepared Qwark for his encounter with the dread pirate Blackstar and his crew of... Oh, please tell me this isn't a typo.
That's robotic pirate ghosts. Guess reading wasn't your subject, eh, Professor?
Right. Now we begin the interactive portion of Episode 1. Booty is in the eye of the beholder.
Now I know a cheat code to get Qwark in a tutu and I'll leave the cheat in the description.
You just picked up an officially licensed Qwark token. Collect all the tokens in the level to earn a secret prize. Bling, bling, baby. The red ones are worth 10 Qwark tokens. and move the left analog stick for precision aiming. Juicy health upgrade. Remember, cadets, there's one in every level.
I've worked on some real junk, but this one takes the cake. Pirate, ghosts, and robots. I mean, what do they think? We're idiots?
Hey, Professor, snap to it.
Once again, the citizens of the Solana Galaxy owed their lives to the dauntless courage of the remarkable man behind the cube. With great reluctance, Qwark accepted a meager fee for his services and promptly donated the entire sum to the Qwark for Tots Scholarship Fund, a charity providing makeovers and buxom bimbos for needy people named Qwark.
I've got a big heart. Mr. President? Yes, I got the fruit basket, thanks. It turns out I'm allergic to prunes. Who knew? What? Blackwater City is under attack. Yes, sir. I'm on my way.
The exciting, all-true, right, adventures of Captain Qwark continue in Episode 2.
Of devil.
It appears Qwark has regained his memory.
Hey, this dressing room isn't fit for a pig. What kind of shoddy production are you people running?
That's him, all right.
He may need a while to adjust. In the meantime, I've got a mission that's perfect for you, too. We've just learned of a prototype holographic device that can disguise the user as a Tyrannoid, even allowing him to speak Tyrannese.
Is it just me, or do you smell bananas?
Anyway... The device happens to be the grand prize on this week's Annihilation Nation. Check it out.
Tonight on Annihilation Nation, we feature an all-new Death Horse. Let's meet tonight's victim. Oops, I mean contestant, Fred! Fred is a Gadgetron accountant who claims he once had a morphle ray go off in his pants. What a chance. Let's take a look at what he's up against. Doesn't look too bad now, does it? Good luck, Fred! Next!
Another day, another death course.
Now, I'm going to end this video here. Like a favorite if you like it. And subscribe. And I'll see you next time.